Let me show the clip again. Check out the horses run up like, yo, homie, you really doing this?
No, the horses run up like, hey, doc, y'all got to see this. Y'all got to see this.
Nobody corrected me. That's so nice of you guys, but at the same time, it's messed up.
You also said Maze Freight instead of Maze Freight Solutions.
I did that.
Solutions.com.
It's happy hour.
MazeFreight.com. Maze Freight
It's happy hour. It's happy hour, John.
I want to tell you, your hair looks so good.
This is just that little jerk. That's that.
Put some juices and berries on it.
That's that juices and berries. That's what happens when you get no haircut. So what I do is it's just juice and berries in my hair. Yeah, but I put in leave-in conditioner. So I pop some leave-in conditioner and just do this thing in my hair, and then it kind of gets this nice little curl up. So for everybody out there, I think I got on a Duke or an S curl. This is not a kit.
S curl was the bomb back in the day.
It was, but it didn't work for me. My homie.
You had curly hair.
Huh?
You already had curly hair.
I did, but so, and I'm gonna segue out a little bit. So a friend of mine who watches the show, his name is Marcus Bussey. He and his sister, Carla Bussey, two awesome people. Matter of fact, if you ever need graphic arts and design work done, free plug here, go to messengerink.com. These guys are great. But
you need a super bad attorney, call his father.
Oh yeah, Carl Bussey.
Oh yeah.
He's tight with it. He's tight with it.
He's good. I've never gone to court yet for anything. If anything happens, I call his father. And he takes care of it.
So when I was younger, I was probably 14 years old or whatever. Back in the 90s, S-curl was a thing, and I wanted S-curl. I wanted S-curl so bad. Either S-curl or Duke, I wanted that bad boy. So he and his sister, because he had the S-curl, he had it rocking, he had the curls. So we lived down the street from one another, so they came over. They had the kit ready to go. I was like, man, we're going to do it. It was extra strength. Put all the stuff in my hair, let it sit. Everything was cool. It would start tingling, then start burning. I washed it out. Then I put that little juice gel activator stuff in it. Man, I looked like Julio Rajaja. My hair was straight. There was no curl at all.
It was calm.
It was just like that. It was just straight. There was no curl. So cut my hair. And I think one day I was taking a shower and I put some conditioner in my hair after I washed my hair. Got out the shower, forgot I put the conditioner in my hair, and I looked in the mirror and saw that my hair was curly. I was like, oh, snap, my hair just automatically curls with conditioner. So then I find leave-in conditioner to be able to put in my hair, and then I'm good. So, but good. only when I can't get a haircut. So anyway, this now brings us,
beer.
This now brings us to our next segment of the show that we just brought about as of last week, called BullShip. So, for everybody that needs to know about what's going on here, I need to find the information. What did I do with the information?
Well, I tell people while you're trying to find it. BullShip is something we came up with because we are in the freight industry and we've been doing this collectively over 30 years now. So, and we've seen so much bullshit, and we see it till this day, that happens on the road. And so we just want to let everyone else see what we see because we are in the transportation industry. Truck drivers go through a lot. They really, really do. Yeah. Some things they do bring on themselves. Let's just talk about it. But this specific video is quite funny because this was self-inflicted.
So, I need to make sure I don't make anybody upset. So basically what the video we're going to show you is they're pickups that are towing a single wide, okay, down a road. These guys tried to attempt a DIY, a do-it-yourself heavy haul in Oklahoma, and it just doesn't go well at all. So to you all at home, please, please, please enjoy this craziness that you're getting.
And don't do this at home.
Please
don't do this at home.
Please don't do this at home.
Video in it. I'm not doing this. It's actually pretty cool. It's entertaining. Oh my god,
Nuh-uh.
oh my god.
What?
They almost took out that freaking mailbox.
The game is real, ladies and gentlemen.
Goodness.
Oh my god, get out of here. That is so cool.
Here come his buddies. His buddies, they about to come help him out.
Don't worry.
Well, that's a game show. Oh,
Here's a team that comes to rescue this Ford first generation Ram Bronco.
You should have seen how fast God.
You know my word for this. Word. This is what you do. This. So what's really funny about this is everybody and their mamas out here to be able to see the spectacle along with the horses. Even the horses come out to be like, word, dog. Did you see the horses run up? Let me show the clip again. Check out the horses run up like, yo, homie, you really doing this.
No, the horses run up like, hey, doc, y'all got to see this. Y'all got to see this. Hey, is this happening? This is happening. This is happening. He's really doing it. Metal to concrete. I heard it around the corner. I heard the trailer coming. Did you hear it?
I didn't know when I saw the antenna, I guess, for the satellite that was on top. I don't know. It looked like it was riding across the lines at first, so it kind of looked like a rail car. It was weird. But these are some of the things that people do out here to try to get their homes moved. I mean, this is definitely a mobile home move.
Pick up the bottom. Who's gonna pick that up? Did they all run out there to rescue him to come pick the bottom up? Did no one think about the bottom when it took off? When it left?
Everybody came out. So the first was a Ford. There was a first generation Ram, a Bronco, and a Grand Cherokee that all went out there to save that single wide.
What were they gonna do? Use a
I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna tell you what they're gonna do. They're gonna have to get a new single wide. That's what they're gonna have to do. That thing is destroyed.
Listen. When you know how you change the tire, you got to use the jack.
You ain't using no jack for this. Ain't no jack for this.
How they gonna get the trailer up?
Nothing's gonna happen. That thing is done. It's time for a new trailer. That's it. So for everybody, just to kind of let you know, so they did. I don't know. There's so many different comments. Like people are asking, did they steal this trailer? Is the trailer like a Breaking Bad meth lab? Why are you trying to save a busted trailer?
We have to hear this straight from the horse's mouth.
But I guess they finally got it to where they were trying to originally get it. You know, and in the latter part of the video, you saw the reinforcements arrive. They weren't able to get the job done, but eventually, from other posts, I guess they were able to get the thing taken care of. So
they the escort.
That's what the Bronco and the Cherokee and the first generation Ford and all that was about. That was the rescue. Those guys were there to rescue the people. So
where was the sign that said wide load? Even the horses, man. Even the horses look like what?
The horses was the funny part because the horses knew that this was some bullshit.
What?
These jokers ran up like, wait a second, let me check this out.
We got to see this.
They came up like, word? This is what they came up like, wait a second, what are y'all doing? Oh, man.
This is
well,
great.
So to everybody out there, one thing I want to say is, first off, the month of June is going to be a fantastic month, not just for us, but for you all as well, because we're really going to be digging in a lot of the importance of having a professional website, internet marketing, virtual web services. This is something that's going to really be able to help out your bottom line. It's going to help out your business. It's going to reduce your liability when it comes to having so many employees. Now, I know what makes Freight, one of the things that we want to do is we want to be able to hire on as many people as possible. But when we're hiring folks on, we want to be able to teach them how to own their own business. So we have just a little bit different method. Now, if your goal is to be able to employ a ton of W-2 employees, to be able to give jobs back to your city, fantastic. We are trying to do the same thing. We just have a different way of doing it. But if you are trying to reduce your liability and you're trying to be able to have all the departments that you need, but not just all in the same place, the month of June is going to be the month you really want to pay attention to the channel. Check out everything that we have available. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below for new material that you want to see. And I'd like to thank you guys for hanging out with us during this happy hour.
Thank you so much. Virtual lifeboat, everyone. Virtual lifeboat. Everyone, love thy neighbor, be safe. Bye.
I love that you say that every time. I really do.
Neighbor.
Take care, people.
Bye.